Subtle just dropped a new vacation collection and I need you guys to get in here. We're gonna try these products together. They just launched some products that are perfect for summertime, so I want to share them with you. So we have 3 new products from Subtl. We have a lip balm, an eyeshadow, and a highlighter, okay? Any lip combo, I am starting off with a lip balm, and I love the Subtl lip balms, but this one is just like such the perfect like summertime lip balm flavor. This is Zestination, with a Z, Zestination Cocoa. This just smells and maybe it tastes like, I don't know, I have not licked my lips yet, like a margarita, like a vacation on your lips. Warm summer day and you got that fresh margarita on the rocks with salt on 1/2 with extra lime. Lemony and citrusy and coconutty, but like coconutty in a good way, because let me just tell you, I don't like coconut at all. I love that for us. Thank you. Subtl always finds out the things that we did not know we needed. They like Target. When you go into Target, you know how you didn't realize you needed it until you went there? Subtl will be the same way. So for an eyeshadow duo, you have Cloud 9, which is like such a pretty light, effortless, like you can put this on with any eyeshadow. You can wear it alone, you can layer it. I'm gonna take a little bit of the shimmery side because I love a little bit of a sparkle on my lid, and I'm just gonna put that right on top, and it just like lightens up my lid so nicely. I love how like light and effortless this looks on the lids, like just dabbing that on. The sun is gonna catch that so freaking nice. That just looks so pretty. And then for the last item in here, we have their highlighter. I love Subtl highlighters. I feel like they do highlighters like nobody else. And this is called Gin Fizz. Now look at this, brown girls, don't be scared. It looks white. I know, it looks white, so you're immediately like, skirt, hold on, wait, no. This is just gonna give you the most effortless, catch the light glow. Just watch. I just like to take a little bit on my finger. I always dab off a little excess and just press it in. And you see how that just like added like a little something to my cheek? But it's not frosty. It's not frosty. It's not the strobing that we used to do. A little bit on my nose. Love it. I love this. And you know what? I want to put a little bit on the inner corner of my eyes too. I love to use their highlighters like this. And to finish off my look, I'm gonna use some of my other favorites from Subtl. This is their bronzer in Cocoa. You see how used up mine is every day. I use this on my cheeks, I use this on my eyes, like I use it everywhere. Actually, we're gonna put a little bit on our eyes today. Here, go in our crease. I love this bronzer. I got my mom hooked on this bronzer recently. It's the best. And then let's do a little lip and cheek. This is Terracotta Tour Guide. You see that just added like a little bit of color on my lips. You can build it up if you want. I usually like mine to be like a little bit sheer. So this is a new vacation collection from Subtl. You definitely need to get your hands on these and add these into your stack for summer. The shades are so good, so universal, perfect for brown skin, for pale skin. Like I feel like it's just gonna look good on everyone. It's really gonna make your skin glow and shine and just look so perfect. And it has such a good summertime feel to it too. So thank you guys for watching. If you need any other tutorials on how to use the Subtl products or any makeup tips, please make sure to check out the Subtl YouTube page because we have so many videos on there. You'll see me and a lot of other creators making bomb content for Subtl. Again, my name is Niara Alexis. You can find me here on YouTube. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok by that handle as well. Thank you guys, and I will see you again.